Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could do a junk journal with me process video. So I've already got some scraps and things that I'm going to use for my spread today, and I wanted to do something with very minimal pieces, but I also wanted to do a collage. So I picked up some random scraps from my stash here to use as a background for the collage because I found this greeting card in my stash and I wanted something to go with that. I mean, it's just so beautiful. It's perfect for this time of year, so I wanted to incorporate this into my spread. I also found some of these, they're like fabric, I don't know what they're called, maybe like appliques, butterflies, so I thought maybe I could use those. And then I have a couple of stamps here, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. I am just going to start by laying some pieces onto my page and kind of just seeing how I like it before I commit to anything. So I think something like that would be kind of nice. And then I wanted to put this in here somehow too, but I want it like peeking out from behind this image. So here you can kind of still see the flower paper through that, which I like. But oops, sorry guys, I kind of wanted this to be up a little higher on the page. So maybe we can do like that, kind of like that. And then I don't know that the blue butterfly really goes with this, and I still want to be able to open the card, so I don't want to put anything over it. So yeah, maybe I'll put it here. And then with the stamps, although these colors are really pretty and they do go with it, I think these flowers actually match the ones in the postcard. Or I'm sorry, the greeting card a little better. So I'm going to use that one. Okay, so now we just have to go ahead and glue everything down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Tombow Aqua Mono Liquid Glue and just start gluing the pieces down. Doesn't take much glue. This glue is my favorite. It doesn't make the pages warp or buckle. There's usually no wrinkling or very minimal wrinkling. Let's see. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue that one there. And then take this yellow one and put some glue on that one. I'm going to sort of overlap it at the top up here. And next, I think I decided on the book page going on this side. You could also use, I'm almost out of this glue, but you could also use glue stick or any glue you have on hand. I just prefer this glue, that's all. And I'm going to stick that there. And this one will go there. Oops, a little too much glue there. Okay, now I can still see little pieces of white, but that's okay because we're still going to put some more things on here, so I can still hide it a bit. Let's get this doily down. Okay, and now I'm going to glue our greeting card. And I want to, like I said, be able to still open this so that I can journal in it. Because it's just plain white on the inside. So it's perfect for writing. And then let's get that butterfly there. I found these at a thrift store, and like I said, I'm not even 100% sure what they are. They're very thin, but they're fabric. So I don't know if it's, whoops, sorry guys, like an iron-on of some kind, or I don't know. I just thought they were cool. So I'm going to put that there. And then last is our stamp, which I think I'm going to put here. Okay, so there you have it. Simple spread, but very pretty. I hope you enjoyed this little junk journal with me process video. If you did, please feel free to like or comment and even subscribe so that I know what type of content you guys are looking for in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!